In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Facebook pixel to ClickFunnels using Funnelish. Connecting your Facebook pixel correctly is really important if you want accurate tracking for your ads, conversions, and events. By the end of this tutorial, your pixel will be installed through Funnelish and ready to start collecting data from your funnels. Let's start from your Funnelish dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Funnelish account in your browser. Once you're in, you should land on the main dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your funnels and apps. Make sure you're in the right workspace or account if you have multiple, because the pixel you add here will apply to that specific environment. From the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on that. The Apps section is where Funnelish lets you connect different tools and integrations, and this is where the Facebook pixel integration lives. On the Apps page, scroll until you find the one called Facebook Pixel. Next to it, you should see a toggle switch. If that toggle is turned off, go ahead and click it to turn it on. This activates the Facebook Pixel app inside Funnelish, which is required before you can configure it. If it's already on, you're good to go and can move on to editing its settings. Once the toggle is enabled, click directly on the Facebook Pixel app itself. This will open the settings page for the integration. Here is where you'll connect your Facebook Pixel ID so Funnelish can start sending data from your ClickFunnels funnels to your Facebook account. On this settings page, look for the field labeled Default Pixel Cell Pixel ID. Click inside that box. Now paste or type in your Facebook Pixel ID. You can grab this ID from your Facebook Events Manager. It's usually a string of numbers that uniquely identifies your pixel. Double check that you've entered it correctly, because a typo here will prevent tracking from working properly. After you've entered your pixel ID and confirmed it's correct, look for the button that says Save Changes. Click on Save Changes to apply your settings. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, Funnelish won't remember your pixel ID and nothing will be tracked. Once it's saved, your Facebook pixel is now connected to Funnelish for your ClickFunnels